Here I have the Financial Statement Workbook created by Olsen Consulting open. We did deploy it through Vivid Flex, which we can see right up here. It's a tool created by Vivid Reports in collaboration with Olsen Consulting. So the Financial Statement Workbook is a great tool because it's very customizable and flexible. We can do custom columns, we can do custom rows, ad hoc analysis. We also have bilateral integration with Vista. So what that means is we can push the financial statement definitions into Vista from the workbook, always ensuring that there's consistency. This also ensures that you always have consistent financial statements. The data from Vista is also connected to this workbook. So when you run this report, it's always the most up-to-date information as long as you're refreshing it. That being said, when you start using this workbook, remember to refresh it here before you begin. And then we're in the input parameters sheet where you'll go here to choose what company you'd like to use, what reporting year, and what reporting month. Next, let's move over to the balance sheet here. So it should have all information you would typically expect out of a balance sheet. The next one here is the balance sheet with the year, prior year comparison. Next, we have the income statement with all information you would expect. And then income statement compared to the prior year and prior year to date. Next, we have the financial statement definitions. I'm going to come back to this in just a moment. And then here we have the GL balances. So the financial statement definitions, we can see that we have 5 different levels here, and this is the part that actually pushes back into Vista. So let me show you how this actually works. If we go into the GL chart of accounts here, we can see that we have 4 different custom fields here which match these ones. We can do as many different levels as you'd like. There is some functionality similar in Vista, and we can definitely do this if you prefer. There's major and minor categories in GL report categories. So the reason why we don't usually do this is because that's only 2 levels, and we want to be able to actually use more than that. So let's go back to the GL chart of accounts here. We have these 4 matching, so let's do a test. Let's do test 1, 2, 3. Pull that down there. And let's save this and push it back into Vista. So let's press save and refresh. Then we'll refresh Vista as well in the chart of accounts. So for description, cash general there, we can see we have test 1, 2, 3 and test 1, 2, 3. So pushed in successfully. If you have any questions about this product or questions in general, please feel free to reach out to Olsen Consulting.